Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We have another Tuff possum gear bag that I'm going to talk about today. But this is probably my longest used bag anyway. I got it for a specific purpose, and it's been that purpose since 2018. 2017, 2018, right around in there someplace. This is a Tuff possum 8x10 in this orange ripstop. I'm not sure if how many bags he made in this material, but I got one of them. These are from his Etsy, when he was Etsying, before Tuff possum was super big and had just a few little things at a time. Pretty cool how he's grown over the years. Jay Berry and his family are super awesome people that make great gear. Uh-oh, hang on, I gotta plug my thing up. Got to plug it up. Sorry. The wind was getting kind of bad. But what this is basically a toiletries bag, if that's what you want to call it. Shave bag, whatever you may call it. And pretty much anytime I'm at shows or classes or whatever, when I'm car camping, so whenever size isn't really a deal, this is what comes. And it's just your basic 8x10 that's got the two little rubber zipper holds there on the end, and a center line zipper for the pouch itself. I went and attached me a plastic carabiner on each end, and I used this to keep my zipper up while I'm carrying it around. And then I just have a little crown knot paracord chain here on the back, and a camp towel. It just lives on the outside of it. And on the inside, I'm just going to kind of set it out of the way and go through things that I have in here. I have some toothpick dental picks. Something in your teeth can ruin a weekend in the forest if you can't get it out. Toothbrush. I got this toothbrush from a Spanish MRE, which I thought was super awesome. It was their breakfast MRE, and it came with this toothbrush as well as toothpaste. It's pretty cool. My deod, not nothing fancy. I have a small bottle of Castile soap. Some toothpaste. I have kids, and sometimes I get ate up too. Chiggers are super horrible flesh-eating animals in my area, and it only takes a handful of them to become uncomfortable. So I keep an afterbite in there. This is a bug repellent salve that my wife makes. Some wet wipes, and then this is a pack of emergency in here, just in case it's already really bad, just from looking at it. But I don't hardly ever use it anyway. I think it would probably be okay. I'm not telling you to take stuff that's past its expiration date, but I don't know. Those are more like recommendations than, when not to do something. But a lot of this stuff is for other people's benefit as much as it is mine, because we get pretty stinky after a few days in the woods. But the baby wipes, the deodorant, my toothbrush stuff, and my Castile soap. Castile's a good call for your soap too, because you can suds up in cold creek water if you got to, and it still works good. And that Dr. Bronner stuff, soaps, the suds that it makes for what a small amount is unbelievable. Like it's pretty wild. Just a small palm full will soak my entire body up, including my hair and my beard and everything. So pretty cool stuff. But yeah, that's it, guys. When it comes to a toiletries bag, this is my preferred way of carrying it. And I just throw this over my shoulder, this one, over my shoulder, and carry it across my body, back and forth to the baño or porta potty, wherever. It's handy. I think he still makes a bunch of these bags. I don't know if you can get one in this color, but you can check out tuffpossum.com. Maybe it's tuffpossumgear.com. And do some looking. I know he's got a bunch of classic colors. What is it? Ranger green, Cody tan, wolf gray, black, colors like that. Pretty awesome stuff. Worth checking out. Anyway, check out some of our other content. I say some of ours. I guess it's just me and the cats. But some of my other content over on our Instagram is at bushcraftkelso. Bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Again, Tuff Possum Gear. Check out their stuff there. Tuff Possum Gear over on Instagram, as well as Facebook and other places like that. But check them out, guys. My toiletries bag. Later.